Hello friends and welcome to this video. I hope you guys are doing great. This is actually day 4 of our 9 days training program and 10k challenge, and we're going to be talking about something extremely important. So in the last 3 days we have been talking about exactly the marketing strategy, how to use advanced affiliate marketing strategies. I've been telling you guys exactly what is a intention of what I'm supposed to be doing, exactly what kind of marketing we are supposed to be doing, and everything we are supposed to be doing, and how to make sure we get a lot of customers repeatedly. So right now we are going to be dealing with the next part of this 90 days challenge, which is just going to be about how to choose. I wrote the whole thing on the computer here. How to choose your course topic and niche based on your expertise and the market demand. So it's going to be about how you are going to be choosing your expertise, how you're going to be choosing your course topic, your niche, and all that based on the market demand. First thing, it's very important to note that I am not good at video editing. That's why you see me making my videos in the way that I make it. I'm not showing you guys the screen, I'm not showing you guys other things. I'm just talking to you, I'm giving you guys exactly the strategies, because that's the most important part of everything you're supposed to be looking forward to be doing when you're looking forward to making money online. The strategy, the techniques, what exactly you're supposed to be doing, where you're supposed to be clicking. And I'm speaking to people who have a little idea about online. So if you are really interested and you really want to know all these things, please follow us from beginning to the end. My charger is not connected very well. So guys, let's get started. The first thing, look very well what I'm doing here, because you guys are going to be doing exactly the same thing. So the first thing we're going to be doing is understand your expertise, and understanding your expertise has to do with what branch is your course going to be, because it's very important to choose a specific branch which you have a little bit expertise in it. Some people will say, okay okay Mr. Loic, yes, you're talking about expertise, but I have absolutely no expertise. I don't know exactly what to do. I don't know exactly where to start. I'm lost. I don't have any expertise. So I'm going to be telling you guys, like, most people believe that when they say expertise, it definitely means you are supposed to be the toppest, the best-selling author, the #1 person out there who has sold things that nobody has ever understood or heard about whatsoever you've been. No, that's not what expertise means. Expertise simply means you've read one single book more than somebody else. Expertise simply means you can do one single thing that somebody else does not know how to do. Let's assume you have read this book, for example, it's Expert Secret, containing all the strategies and the marketing techniques which I know, which I'm talking about, and which have saved me to do a lot of money. I know about this thing. That's the reason why, because I only read this book and some of his 2 other books, I was able to like position myself as somebody who knows far more than other people, and I know more than hundreds of thousands of people. Why? Because I know a little bit the content of this book more than other people, and because I know it more than other people, it has permitted me to have a lot of cash. So that's the expert niveau you are going to be placing yourself into. You don't need to have complicated knowledge or to have made billions of dollars to be able to be called an expert in a specific field. You just need to know a little bit amount of something. So you need to make sure that you identify your expertise, and once you've identified that expertise, you leverage on it. What does it mean to leverage on your expertise? It means you need to know exactly what you're supposed to be doing so that you should be able to produce the maximum result possible. The next thing you're supposed to be doing is to identify the market. If the market in which you have that expertise is not existent, then make sure to create a sub-part of that expertise into a market that actually exists. For example, I want to teach people how to I don't know anything, but I don't know something specifically that I can actually, how to go to the toilet, let me just say it like that. How to go to the toilet. Everybody knows how to go to the toilet and sit on that thing and maybe urinate, everybody, but you want to be positioning yourself as somebody. It's clear that even if you want to be teaching people how to go to the toilet, you will make sense, because there are some people that will definitely buy anything when they talk about something that they are having doubts even, or like just for curiosity's sake, they are just going to be buying. So even if you position yourself in that market, you buy. But nonetheless, that market is not as promising as other markets, like the making money online market. It's huge. So make sure to position yourself in a market that is actually existing and that people are already inside that market and people are already making money inside that same market. It's very, very important. The next thing, once you have identified your market, you have to discuss you have to, how do we say it? make more research on the market which you have actually, on the field which you have actually which you're actually looking for. Let's assume there are multiple markets out there. One of the main things I'll tell you in this video is that there are 3 specific markets which are very, very, very great. 3 markets. Number 1 is the making money online. It's one of the biggest markets that exists out there, that people are making a huge amount of money. Making money online is a very big market. Number 2 is inside the love and romance, emotional, all those love and romantic. And number 3 is definitely inside the health and like, I'm not feeling fine, I want to go to the hospital, that market, like the drugs. When I talk about drugs, I talk about, like, for example, paracetamol or whatsoever, those drugs that are used to heal the body or whatsoever, those positive drugs. Let's assume pharmaceutical drugs, that's another market. So at the end of the day, we have those 3 markets: the market of the money, making money online, and the market of the emotional niche and the love niche, and then the market of the health niche, wealth, health, and then money. So those 3 markets are huge. If you want to position yourself, try to position yourself under any of those 3 markets. Understand your market very well. Try to see if there is huge demand on the market. If there is huge demand, and then you have to make sure that you analyze your competitor. Are there people inside your same market which are already positioned in what you're looking forward to be doing, and you want to start doing the same thing? For example, I want to sell a course on how to build courses. Are there already people out there who are already selling courses? For example, this guy, he sold more than $40 million in the matter of 3 years. 3 years, somebody selling $40 million in 3 years. So are there people in your own niche, or are there people in the domain in which you want to come, which are already making huge amount of money in that direction? If yes, understand, spy your competitor, and make sure that you gain something from them. It's very important. It's very, very, very important. And we're going to be discussing about how to spy your competitor in the next video. I'm going to make a video on how to spy your competitor in the online course selling niche. So it's very important. And then for you to be able, once you spy your competitor, you need to actually validate your idea. For you to be able to validate your idea, because once you have spied the competitor and then you say, okay, this competitor is making this, he has evolved from this point to this point. So because he has been able to evolve from this point to this point, let us now see exactly what is he actually proposing to people, and then all the stuff. So we're going to be talking about what is he proposing to people in the next video, because it's very, very, very vital for you to be able to understand your unique selling proposition. It's extremely important. What is unique selling proposition? We're going to be seeing that in the second video, to be coming day 5 of this same challenge. So stick on to maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow maximum. Almost every day videos are uploaded 2 times or 3 times a week. Videos are uploaded on Influencer Secret YouTube channel, and about making money online, and about building courses. A complete series going to be uploaded. So make sure to understand your competitor. Make sure to choose the market correctly. And as a tip that I'm going to give you, choose inside the 3, one of the 3 that I talked to you about. Is it how do we call it? Is it making money online? Is it the romance or the love niche, or is it the pharmaceutical niche that you're going to join yourself into? For me, it's the making money online. For you, it's definitely or surely going to be the making money online. Next thing, spy the competitor, and then we're going to make a video about it on how to spy your competitor in the if you want to sell courses. So we're going to see that in the next video to be coming. So stick to the end. If you want to have access to this book, if you really want to have access to this book, it's called Expert Secret by Loic Monthe. This is it. The book is actually so interesting. It contains a lot. It really, you see, I've made a lot of notes all through the book. It contains a lot of information about how to make money online, what is how to gain customers, how to convince people to buy. The link is going to be in the description. You get it for $0, $10. You buy the book for $0 and you pay only $10 for shipping costs, or you go on Amazon and buy for $35. So yeah, use my link. It's an affiliate link. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. See you in the next video about this next part of this same challenge, 0 to 10K 90 days. Ciao.